Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I am here with a flip through of my design team project for Tsunami Rose. I did the tattered and torn journals featuring charming fragments as well as other ephemera add-on kits. All of the information will be in the description box below. But I wanted to get these get a flip through up to you and get these listed on my Etsy store. So I will start with the top one here. This is Inspire. And this starts out with a file folder. Everything is torn edges, very grungy, raggedy. I have used one of the background pages from Charming Fragments. All of the papers in here are Tsunami Rose, with the exception of the coffee dyed paper, and these are labels that I acquired from Dollar Tree. So I've got one of the background pages here covered with some lace tulle, which is this, and then I've got a piece of coffee dyed paper here and one of the ephemera pieces. I've got a piece of linen and the Dollar Tree label, and then I have a piece of linen on the edge. I've also got lace here on the back with another background piece. So inside we've got a postcard. This is from a different collection. It's one of the ephemera kits, and I've got some lace trim. Trying to use up, I'm reduce, reuse, recycle some of the things that are on my desk this month. And so I do remember this card is from the Monochrome black kit by Tsunami Rose. This is part of the Charming Fragments. I think this is called Bouquet. I don't know. It's in the description box below. These little butterfly pieces are from Dollar Tree, and I've got some cheesecloth there. Here's one of the designer background pages. I'm going to check and make sure I'm right there in the middle for you. Here I've got a belly band. On the belly band I've got some lace trim here, I've got some cheesecloth, and I've got a little rose that's torn from another piece of ephemera. I've got a library card here and another piece that I've torn the bottom of this one. That's just from one of the Charming Fragments pieces of ephemera. I think that's on the page with the envelopes. I've got coffee dyed paper. We've got some lined ledger paper. Here's another one of the beautiful background pages, and then here is a corner pocket here with some crochet trim. I've got a piece of paper for writing that I have just grungied up, and I've tucked that back there. And then I have these are a vintage shipping tag collection that Daisy has in her store. There again, the information is in the bottom, in the description box. Blessings on the bottom, blessings on the bottoms, blessings on the roots, blessings on the leaves, and blessings on the fruit. Okay, so we've got more coffee dyed paper, and I'm not sure, this may be MSTexasCrafts coffee dyed paper. I'm not sure because I'm just using up what's on my desk. I've got some music paper. And here we've got a floating pocket. This is one that comes with the collection, and a larger insert there, little journal card. So I've stuck that on there. There's some more coffee dyed paper and a doily. And on this one I've done a little flip over tag. It's just a tag that I flip over the page. Get it? I've got one of those glittery butterflies with the cheesecloth, some lace trim, and I have another one on this side. And there's plenty of room for writing here. I've just tucked it over the page like so, and paper clipped it on, and then it makes a tuck spot. You can also tuck things on this side if you like. More coffee dyed paper. Here I have an envelope. I believe this is like a quarter sheet size, invitation size, something like that. I've taken a milk cap here and a little stamp with some cheesecloth and just made a little cluster. And then on this side I've got one of the journal ephemera pieces. I've added some lace to that one. Here's another one of the background pages. Another one of those vintage shipping tags. Coffee gets me started, Jesus keeps me going. This is a library pocket. The original idea came from, oh, I'm totally blank. Anyway, it's in the description box. We did these on the last video, so if you want to see that, just look at the video before this one. I did glue these on 3 sides so we can tuck something there on the side, and that looks like just like a, almost like a little calling card, but Bickles Rose, looks like an advertisement. Fun. Okay, coffee dyed paper. I've got some graph paper, and then here's the center. I just loved this center. I did sew it together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then now we're on the back side, so we've got the graph paper, coffee dyed. Here's another one of those library pockets. You are my hiding place and my shield. And then this one has another little piece of, looks like a receipt for hardware and groceries, just tucked right there on the side. I did put some linen in the tie of these tags. And here's another, the other side of the envelope. So I've got just some cheesecloth and a couple pieces of ephemera. On this side I've tucked the other half of that one journal card and another sale tag there with some crochet trim. Here's another one of the flip over tags with the butterfly on both sides, doily, coffee dyed paper. Here's the other floating pocket with the piece of ephemera, blank on the back. And like I said, this is floating. You can put it wherever you want. Okay, music, coffee dyed. Here's that corner pocket with another piece of writing paper. These are background images that I've just torn in half. And here's another tag, where God guides, He provides. I've left them all blank on the back for writing. And here's the ledger paper, coffee dyed paper. Here's a vertical belly band. Same thing, I've used the monochrome black with some lace trim top and bottom, some cheesecloth, and a little piece of torn ephemera. And then we've got a postcard here and a piece of, I think that was on the envelope page. And then the back side, I just love this page, it's so pretty. And then back here we've got another postcard pocket with the crochet trim and the glitter butterfly with cheesecloth, and then a postcard. I don't believe this postcard is from the monochrome. It's not in the monochrome journal kit, it's a separate one, but there again, it's listed below. And then this was a piece from, I believe that's from Charming Fragments. And I can't really tell if it's right side up or upside down, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and that's the back of that one. All right, so that was Inspire. I'm going to go through these really quickly because they're pretty much the same. This is Cherish, so I'm going to go through these and not talk and fast forward. Okay, and this last one is called Laugh, and this was actually the first one that I put together. Okay, so there you have it. There is Laugh, there is Inspire, and Cherish. And these will be available in my Etsy store, and you can find the link to that below. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.